Hello, my friends. Happy January, everyone. Let me show you the current state of my studio after making videos for the past 8 weeks. Christmas was crazy busy and I had no time to cleaning in between, and we also have left for Christmas, so obviously cleaning was not my priority. Let me show you the whole studio right now. It's bad, honestly, it's bad, but I'm here to share with you the real Marta, the real me, how things are. The next weeks, I'm going to be focusing on cleaning back again, bringing the studio to its shape, and also doing sale boxes because loads of stuff I no longer need. And I think I will be clearing out, purging through my stash, making sale boxes just so others can use things that I no longer need. I would love to focus today on the desk because I need it for my videos. For now, have a beautiful day. Bye.